Hello friends, today we will learn how to create torn paper effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Then right click and convert it into Smart Object. Go to Image Adjustments, Black and White. Here, change the values according to you and hit OK. Click on the vector mask icon. With the brush tool selected, choose the torn paper brush. I have given the link in the description box. Rotate it by pressing the arrow keys. Make it bigger by pressing the key given on the screen and paint on the layer. Unlink it to make the brush bigger and adjust it. With the mask selected and the round brush selected, paint on the area which is left. Link the mask to the layer by clicking on this icon. Then click on the mask along with Ctrl or Command to make the selection of the mask area. Create a new layer. Bring it down the layer. With the white color selected, paint on the layer. Move the layer to the left by pressing the arrow key. As you can see, the white part is getting visible. Now with the layer 1 selected, go to the filter, noise and add noise. Change the amount to 50 and hit OK. And that's how you can create this amazing effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.